Good morning, the Honorable Examiner Miss Widya Sastika. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratna Nurmawati from Marketing Management Faculty of Applied Science, Telkom University. I would like to say thank you for this opportunity. So today I can present my final project with the title Review of Marketing Implementation at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket in 2021. First, about the profile company KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket. KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket is located on the street Jalan Jenderal Ahmad Yani, number 45, Jajak, Banyuwangi. Established since September 1, 1978, and have a goal especially for the welfare of member and society in general. Next, research background. This picture from Badan Pusat Statistik Indonesia show that the number of active cooperative in each province of Indonesia tend to increase, but not at least the number of active cooperative in several provinces has decreased due to bankruptcy. Besides the data in the picture show, KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket has decreased over the last 3 years. Therefore, innovation in marketing is needed to prevent bankruptcy. One of them is implementing marketing mix. KPRI Supermarket have implemented 4P marketing mix. But when compared like Indomaret and Alfamart, KPRI Supermarket only provide local product, no giving discount. Convert has not been achieved and still not effectively doing promotional activities. Next, formulation of the problem. The first, how do respondents respond to the implementation of the product mix in marketing activities at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket? The second, how do respondents respond to the implementation of the price mix in marketing activities at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket? The third, how do respondents respond to the implementation of the promotion mix in marketing activities at the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket? And the fourth, how do respondents respond to the implementation of the place mix in marketing activities at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket? And research purpose, the first is to knowing respondent response for the implementation of the product mix in marketing activities at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket. The second is to knowing respondent response for the implementation of the price mix in marketing activities at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket. The third, to knowing respondent response for the implementation of the promotion mix in marketing activities at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket. And the fourth, to knowing respondent response for the implementation of the place mix in marketing activities at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket. Next, theory summary. There is a marketing theory and marketing mix theory. In the marketing mix, there cover 4P: product, price, promotion, and place. And next, research frameworks. Implementation marketing mix, they are 4P: product, price, promotion, and place. Product, which will discuss product variety. Price will discuss discount. Promotion, which will discuss personal selling. And place will discuss coverage. That will increase purchase interest and of course will increase sales volume. The next methodology. Types of research is qualitative or descriptive. Data types sources by primary data and the secondary data. And data collection technique, observation, interview, and documentation. Next, data analysis technique by data reduction, data display, and collision drawing or verification. And then research result. Here I take 3 informant, namely the manager KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket as key informant, and the second employee KPRI Supermarket as expert informant, and the last consumer KPRI Supermarket as supporting informant. The next interview result, based on expert from the 3 informant, 2 informant, namely the key informant and expert informant, have the same opinion. According to the two informant, the variety of products sold by KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket is quite complete. However, there are different of opinion between the two informant and the supporting informant. According to the supporting informant, the product provided are the same as supermarket in general. The only difference is that KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket do not provide import product. And the next 4P is price. Based on the answer from the third informant that have been tagged, the author gets some data and answer to lead to the same. KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket do not provide discount. However, according to K informant, the price offered by KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket are cheaper than other competitor. Meanwhile, according to expert informant statements, the specialty of KPRI Bina Karya self-service lies in the payment period, namely by providing a payment period of 1 to 5 times. It will make it easier and more comfortable for consumer to transact. And the next 4P is promotion. Based on the answer from the third informant that have been taken, the author gets some data and answer from two informant. The is K informant and expert informant, who have the same direction. According to the two informant, the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket carries out personal selling promotion activities. However, there are different of opinion between the two informant and the supporting informant. According to the informant supporting, the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket, they have never carried out any promotion activities. And the last 4P is place. Marketing coverage also has an influence on sale both in the short and long term. The marketing scope of the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket is the surrounding Gambiran Strup district community, especially the member. However, because there are still many opinions in the community that KPRI Bina Karya Cooperative belong to teacher and civil servants, this make the marketing coverage that has been determined by KPRI Bina Karya not yet fully reach target. The next conclusion. First, in the implementation of the product mix carried out by the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket, it has not been able to fully meet the need or desire of customer. The variety of product it's still limit, only provided local or domestic product. Because in this era of millennials, consumers already familiar with import product. The second, KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket has a payment period program that makes it easier for the member to shop. In addition, in determining the price of KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket, it is cheaper than other retail, but so far the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket has never offered discount to customer. The three personal selling activities carried out by KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket are not yet intense. KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket only carry out this activity when consumers are asking questions. And the last, the location of the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket is very strategic and is located in the middle of the crowd. The marketing scope of the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket is specifically for members and communities around Gambiran and Tegal Sari sub-district. However, because there are still many opinions about that KPRI Bina Karya belongs to teacher and civil servant, there is a lack of participant from the public to shop at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket. For the last future recommendation, the first, based on the result of the review of the marketing mix that has been implemented by the KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket, it is better to have a wider variety of product. In this era of millennial, consumers do not only consume local product, but consumers at this time are also familiar with import product or product brand from abroad. The second, discount should be given by KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket. The activity of given discount can actually be used as tool to attract new customer. Besides that, giving discount can maintain customer loyalty. Next, currently companies are aware of the need to integrate marketing activities as a form of communication between companies and customer. For example, public relation activities. The KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket can convey messages and change public opinion that at KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket it is free to all group. And the last, in the era of entering the era of Industry 4.0, which is marked by all digitalization, KPRI Bina Karya Supermarket should spread their wings to penetrate the world of the e-commerce, such as joining existing marketplace such as Shopee, Tokopedia, and other. I think that's all. Thank you for your nice attention, and sorry if there is a wrong say. See you!